Hi YouTube viewers, I have a video up of a miniature dollhouse that I found in a thrift store for $25, and I know I showed you the house, but it was not even worked on yet, and I only worked on the bottom floor, which is the open floor plan, and I'm going to show you what I did here. This is the house. Okay, I'm not going to show you the top floor because the top floor I'm still working on. But this is the bottom floor. And what I did here was I took off the middle wall that goes right there. I took that off. Instead of making it just two boxed rooms, I took that off and I used rolls of aluminum foil because they're pretty sturdy. Okay, they're strong. So I took those, I cut them to the size so that they could fit nice and tight there, and they could be the support of the second floor, being that I took off the wall. So anyway, so I cut them, I wrapped them up in this nice paper to give it a nice look, and at the bottom here, these are napkin ring holders. So I had two of those, and I put one on each side. So what I wanted to do was an open floor plan that you can go look from the kitchen to the living room to the kitchen. So it could look more spacious. So that's the living room here. I've even decorated the window there with a light. Let's see, this is from the outside. There's a little cat there in the window. So you go over to the kitchen and you can see right through. Okay. So this was the idea of the open floor plan. The feature that I wanted to talk about was the two columns that I made to make it look open so that it wouldn't look like just two boxed rooms in there. See how much bigger it looks because of the two columns? So if I take off this piano here, you can see the bottom of both columns. Okay. And I will put this piano back. This piano is musical. So I'm putting it right back, right there. Oh. Well, I hope you like the idea of the open floor plan, and just remember, when you work in these miniature dollhouses, you don't have to use walls. You can take them off and support the second floor with columns. I think the columns are much nicer than just flat brown walls. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned to the rest of the renovation of this thrift store miniature dollhouse.